Another Model Y is in today. We are doing a radar hardwire installation on this one. But first, we are steam cleaning the steering wheel, an anti-COVID-19 detailing service.
Do a Modelo up in here.
Who knows if it works, but I hope you feel safe.
Of course it works.
So as you guys can see, we have an Escort Max 360 right there. Only thing is, see this wire right here? Yeah, it's okay. It does the job, turns on the radar, but it's not exactly the cleanest setup ever. So we're gonna try to hardwire the radar into the Tesla, and that way you won't have this wire that's just dangling.
Y panels are a lot tighter.
Weird.
I know. You have to take everything apart to tuck the wire.
Looks a lot better.
Yep. Can't even tell. Oopsies. Wow. Instant. What? Are you kidding me?
As you can see, when the car is off, the radar is off, but when the car is on, the radar turns on. The wire before was hanging down, now it's running up and out of sight. So it's a lot cleaner that way, and you don't have this dangling wire in your field of view.